I've been working in Wales recently with my own orchestra. I first came here to start the family. I was very lucky to inherit an orchestra from someone who'd been running it in Brecon for about 15 years. So it was, an incredibly lucky break. I then took that orchestra on, ran it, and it's now become resident at the local theatre Brycheiniog. And subsequent to that, I've started a chamber orchestra called the Mid Wales Chamber Orchestra, which is again based in Mid Wales, which is to promote live music and to produce excellent concerts for communities around here. So that's what I've been doing to date. Now, the work in London builds on that because I've developed a particular interest in dance and music, and this is part of a bigger picture, which is about how the concert hall and how the concert-going audience is changing across the whole of Europe. And I've recently been to Berlin, and I'm going to Hamburg and Paris. Dance is on the up, and ballet in particular is becoming even more popular than it was before. Visually, dance brings something to the scores and the music which you just can't have without it. And of course, we use our own imagination when we think about music and we go to concerts. But for me, I love the theatre, and the idea of getting to combine theatre and dance and music, which are three loves in my life, is how I'm going to use this award. And this award is particularly important to me because it gives me a chance to grow my network beyond Wales whilst doing what I'm doing here at the moment. So the Royal Ballet is Covent Garden is obviously seen as one of the greatest stages in the world, and a great place to learn. And having grown up around here for the last sort of 5 years or so and come here to start my family, I now need to sort of get out to build my network, because conducting is all about networks. I'll be spending about 9 months full-time at Covent Garden working as Barry Wordsworth's conducting assistant on a whole range of productions, modern ballet, contemporary dance, and then the traditional ballets that you all probably know from your childhood, Swan Lake, and all these sort of great old works. An extraordinary opportunity, but of course these things are the start of something as opposed to the end of something, and it's how you use these opportunities that count. It's great that the opportunity's there, and of course I'm going to take it with, I'm going to do whatever I can with it, but it's what it could lead to, which is exciting. It's not about now, it's about what I can then bring back to Wales, because of course there are already existing in Wales several major dance companies, all of whom I'm familiar with, but I want to now start to work with them in a way to bring my skills and the skills I'll have at the end of this period of study with Barry Wordsworth. That's what's really exciting. That's what I think is exciting for hopefully this region, and that's what's exciting for me.